to my channel. If this is your first time watching, my name is Gigi and this is Styled by Glam.
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better.
And today we're back with a unboxing video. Featured in the title, I'll be unboxing the new Prada sneakers that I recently purchased. Of course, before moving on, I do have to plug my social media. If this is your first time watching and you don't know me, my name is Gigi and I usually post on a daily basis on both Instagram as well as TikTok on some styling tips as well as everyday outfits. If you haven't checked it out, I hope you would, and if you do, don't be shy and say hello. And with that all said, we're going to move on to the main part of this video, the unboxing. Have the shoes. It's been a minute since I bought sneakers. I think I was on a sneakers kick right around like 2-3 years ago when Chanel had all these selection of sneakers and I bought a few pairs, and since then, and then prior to that, maybe the Dior sneakers that I really love, but after that I haven't had a pair that really caught my eye. But this pair here definitely caught my eye, and actually my husband's too. He was like, oh my god, they look like vintage Nike Airs almost, but it's all leather and the color combo is just super cute. Being the last pair in the 37.5, I decided to just go for it, and I'm very happy with what I got. I did purchase these on the Nordstrom website. I do believe they still have some left, so I'll make sure to link them below, and I'll also link any other sites that may have this color combo. And I do think they have other options as well. Out of all the other colors, I do like this green and white a lot for some reason. Red and white is cute too, but I don't think I have enough red to compensate for outfit-wise. And then the black and white, I don't know, it just doesn't give off the same vibe for me. So the green and white was the one that I decided to go with. Now let's look at the shoe in detail. So first off, you can see here, it is a full pair of leather, and from other than the shoelaces obviously, but everything else is leather. It has the Prada logo here on the outer side, and also Prada written here on the sole side as well. Another part that has the brand is also at the back heel over here, and as well as the center front over here. Inner, it also has the brand, and this on the sole inside as well, and obviously made in Italy. The bottom of the shoe is in the matching green color, which I really love, but obviously once I start wearing it, it's gonna get dirty and it's not gonna be this crisp clean. Don't you just love a fresh pair of sneakers? Like, I almost don't want to wear it because it just looks so good when it's brand new. But you know, if you're gonna buy something, you should wear it. Don't just, you know, hold on to it. And then other than that, the laces is just a regular white shoelace. This in particular, I was like, oh, I was surprised because like for Chanel, for example, I believe they had their logo also imprinted on the shoelaces, which I thought was kind of a cute touch. And they also gave another set in just pure white shoelace as a option. This one just came with this one white shoelace option, and yeah, but I mean, overall, this pair is quite busy already, so I don't mind that it's just in plain white. And on the other pair, it basically mirrors back to the side with the logo outside on this end as well, and the logo here on the sole as well as on the back. So everything just mirrors each other. Super cute pair. Can't wait to wear these. That is the haul and unboxing for this pair of Prada downtown sneakers.